Welcome to Yin Yoga Collective. Tonight's practice is a gentle Yoga Nidra body scan designed to guide you into deep sleep and support healing on all levels. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale fully. Notice the weight of your body sinking into the floor. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and then allow them to soften. With each exhale, feel tension melting away. Bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Smooth, unforced, and effortless. I will guide you through a gentle body scan. As I name each part of your body, simply bring your attention there for one moment. Breathing deeply, then move on. There's no need to tense or to move, just observe and relax. Right hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Palm of the right hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right armpit, right side of your rib cage, moving over to your left hand thumb, left hand index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left armpit, left side of the rib cage, back of the body, right buttock, left buttock, lower back, middle spine, upper back, front of the body, right hip, left hip, navel, solar plexus, heart center, chest, throat, jaw, left eye, bridge of the nose, forehead, crown of the head, now bringing your awareness back to the gentle rise and fall of your belly. Imagine with each inhale, you're breathing in healing light. This light travels through your entire body, reaching every cell. On the exhale, release any remaining tension, any thoughts that don't serve you. Feel this cycle of light filling you up, carrying peace to every corner of your being. If you'd like, silently repeat a positive intention 3 times. For example, I am healing deeply. Or my body and mind rest, rejuvenate, and restore. Choose whatever feels most resonant for you tonight. Allow all words, all guidance to gently dissolve now. Rest here in stillness. Trust that your body knows how to heal and that sleep will come. When you're ready, simply let go. Sweet dreams, dear friends. Thank you for practicing with Yin Yoga Collective tonight. If this practice helped you unwind, please like, comment below, and subscribe for more restful journeys.